getting our day freaking started. Beautiful over here cooking pancakes. And our hair is stuck over there to a spoon.
What? Oh.
Yeah, so I'm using so again so much.
Onion.
Using so again. So. Let's see what happens for the day. I'm using that C again as well. Man, I have a giant pimple on my forehead. Not in between my nose. My eyebrow, actually my nose, well, my eyebrows. I'm gonna remove it right now and go to the bathroom. Can't wait to eat those pancakes. Yummy pancakes. Yeah, I gotta go get my tires. Get dressed, go get my tires, and see what happens for the day. Oh yeah, and also don't forget to subscribe to see this content. I'll wait 5 seconds to see if you go ahead and subscribe and you continue. Make sure you click subscribe. Okay, I'm pretty much sure you all subscribed already, so please make sure you just follow us on everything in the description below. So
Where's our bread?
up there, arriba.
I think it's there.
Arriba. Ay. Man, I fell asleep early. See what happens. Still no camera, and we're out here looking around just to kill some time if I get my tires put on. So I don't know what we're gonna do next. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh well, guys. Once again, my camera keeps freezing. We are back at Walmart, like usual. Waiting for my car to finish changing the tires. So now, let's see what happens for the day. Let's see what the day brings us. Well, here at Walmart, like, we could be here like pretty much an hour. Yeah, we have something to do. Look at this. Which I got rudely interrupted by an annoying bill collector. We're just gonna be shopping at Walmart. Seeing what we find. All we have is $1. So, let's see. My phone's dying too. 7%. Let's see what happens. Well, guys, we picked up the truck after all, and we got new freaking tires, right, baby? So we're ready for one day. We're waiting for that day to happen now, and then I just gotta go get the back tire now to see what happens. How fast he does it. He pays me. I gotta go cash the check. Maybe get another. I had to go get 2 more tires. So, man, I hope he's not gonna kill me. Like, really push. No, I don't know if I should go to Jacob's right now and just see if he's gone. Or just wait a little bit to like 5 or 5:30. Just go home for a while, and then about 5:30 take off over there. So I could edit a video, and then we could just we could work on the paperwork. I'll set a timer about that, and then we could just take out to Jacob's and see what happens. Yeah, Jacob, I don't know which phone Jacob's using to call me.
What time is Ayala's closed?
I don't know.
I think it's at 6.
You want me to go and ask?
We can.
I'll
they
tell
close
him.
at 6. We had to these be at Jacob's.
Dude, I am freaking tired. I'm not joking with you. The bags in their minds. Went to sleep for about an hour. Said I was gonna go to bed and I went to bed. So, I did one video. I'm gonna edit the other video tomorrow. So I get up, I gotta edit 2 videos. Yeah. I already got one done. I gotta work on the other one. So it's yesterday's and then today's. I get 2 of them uploaded today. I get this one tomorrow. The other one tomorrow. See what happens. Oh, I have to order McDonald's. I was just hungry. So. Well, I'm ending the vlog, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications. You won't ever miss a new video. And don't forget to make sure you smash that thumbs up so you never miss new content. And we will see you guys tomorrow. On a long road ahead tomorrow. Hope you enjoy.